In this video, we're going to break down how to make money flipping free stuff on Craigslist in 2025. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? I literally just got paid. Most of us want that extra income, but dread another job with a boss, a time clock, and rules. So flipping free stuff on Craigslist changes that. It's beginner friendly, it doesn't cost a dime upfront, and it works anywhere. People give away furniture, mirrors, shelves, and lamps just to clear space. Your job? Grab the right items, clean them up, and resell for cash. I'm Erin. This is Side Hustle Mastery, simple systems, real income, no burnout. Today, I'll show you how to source what sells, how to list, and the tools that makes your photos stand out so buyers actually click. What Craigslist actually is. Craigslist is basically an online bulletin board for your city, jobs, apartments, used items, and yes, a free stuff section. That's your gold mine. It's where movers and declutterers post things that they just want gone. For them, it's clutter, and for you, it's inventory. Think of it like a free mini garage sales, and the key is showing up early, picking wisely, and reframing items so buyers can see value. People don't just give away junk, they give away convenience. So when someone posts a free desk, they're saying it's not worth my time to deal with this, and that's your opportunity. Buyers on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or even Craigslist will pay for a clean photo that builds trust, a simple description with details, a seller who replies fast and shows up, and that's it. You're not restoring antiques, you're creating a bridge between clutter and demand. And since people are always moving or upgrading, free inventory never stops flowing. Step 1, set up your sourcing. Okay, so before we jump into the live demo, remember to like and subscribe if you want more step-by-step side hustle guides like this, and check the links below for the free template and tools I mentioned. You can follow along with me as we go. Okay, so what you want to do is head to Craigslist.org and pick your city. I picked Orange, but you can pick anywhere and type in your postal code. As you can see, there's different sections. There's community, services, discussion forums, housing, and for sale, and even jobs. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go to the for sale section, and then we're going to click free. Okay, so now that we're on the free stuffs page, you can see for listings, this was posted 25 minutes ago in Garden Grove. You can see it's aquarium items, looks like guppies and mosquito fish. And then we can also see there's a free HP DVD burner and a free sofa in Huntington Beach. It says have a sofa for free. The color's charcoal, pretty good condition. So notice how they give a description. And another thing is there is a newest to oldest. So I would definitely sort it by newest so you can see what was posted most recently. And the best sourcing times are early mornings and weekends. People declutter before work or move out on Saturdays and Sundays. And also the best sourcing times for this is early mornings and weekends. People declutter before work or move out on Saturdays and Sundays. Now, once you've got those pieces home, the next step is just as important as finding them, how you show them. When you flip items, photos are what sells. Buyers can't touch the dresser or test the lamp. They only know what you show them. So a dark, messy photo makes even a great item look worthless, while a clean photo makes it look valuable. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is an online design tool that helps you turn quick phone photos into a professional looking cover. I'll drop my Canva link in the description so you can try it out. It's an affiliate link, which means it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you go yearly, you save about 16%. Photos that sell. Okay, so what we could do from here is click create, and for the sake of this video, I want to make a square canvas, and then we're going to go ahead and go back to that free sofa that we saw earlier. We can save the image and then go back to the square canvas and drop the sofa photo, and from here I would click background remover. It comes with the pro version, and with our link you do get a discount, and a plain white or light gray backdrop instantly makes the furniture and decor look store ready. So I would go ahead and add a text box and drop in a headline like 3-seater black leather. And you just want big legible words, which saves buyers a tap because they already know the key detail. And so after you drop the text, you want to keep the color palette calm and stick to neutrals or a single accent color because loud colors can feel spammy, but soft palettes look professional and trustworthy. So once you like the layout, you want to save it, and the next time you flip an item, you can just swap in the photo or the text, and your whole listing cover can be ready in under a minute. Why this matters. On Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, buyers are scrolling fast, so a clean branded image built in Canva stops the scroll and signals quality. So your free finds sell quicker and often for a better price. Think of it this way, Canva makes free stuff look worth paying for, and when your listings look professional, they sell faster, and usually for more. Pricing and negotiation that works. Don't overcomplicate this part. Check sold listings on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp and list slightly higher than your targets. You can accept offers confidently. Decide your walkaway number up front. This keeps you calm, keeps deals moving, and keeps buyers happy. FAQ. Do you need design skills to use Canva? Nope, it's made for beginners. If you can drag and drop, you can definitely use it. Can you flip without Canva? Sure, but your listings won't stand out as much, and that means slower sales. Does Canva only work for Craigslist flips? Not at all. The same templates work for Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, eBay, and anywhere that you're posting. Your 7-day starter plan. All right, so here's a simple rhythm to try this week. On day 1, browse Craigslist free stuff and pick one item to flip. On day 2, clean it up and take clear photos. On day 3, you can use Canva to create a clean listing cover. On day 4, list it on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. Day 5, respond quickly to messages and lock in your first sale. Day 6, review how long it took and what you earned. Day 7, repeat the process with one more item, and by the end of the week, you'll know exactly how it feels to flip and what your hourly rate pays looks like. So remember where we started, wanting extra cash without another boss or time clock? Flipping free stuff on Craigslist is exactly that. People give away items every day, and with the right photos and a little consistency, you can turn them into $100, $200, or more each week. Use Canva to make your photos stand out and build trust. Link is in the description. It's an affiliate, no extra cost, and it helps me keep making free guides like this. If this gave you a clear plan for your first flip, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're grabbing first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.